up mga ka-J-Vlog? Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. And for today's video and price update naman tayo sa ating 12 Pro and 13 Pro sa ating price update naman tayo sa ating 12 Pro and 13 Pro series dito sa KingL Telecom. But I just want to share first saan ba located si KingL Telecom. So they are located at 3rd floor V Mall. So if ever na pupunta kayo dito, walk-in customer, punta lang po kayo or sakay lang kayo using escalator or elevator. And then after that, proceed lang kayo sa 3rd floor, nasa center lang po kayo. Nasa center lang po sila, dire-diretso lang po kayo. Okay? And aside from that, of course, every unit na ipapurchase nyo sa KingL Telecom or CMB Gadget, makakuha po kayo ng gift box, 2 silicone cases, and also you also have a chance to win dito sa kanilang on-the-spot raffle na merong charger case, smartwatch, AirPods, and also Android phone. And about CMB Gadget naman mga ka-J-Vlog, they're located sa 2nd floor, Tiangge, XA07, hindi pa rin po sila lumilipat. And mostly na makikita nyo doon is si Boss Mayet, si James, si Alma, and si Ate Mary Rose. Dito naman po sa KingL Telecom, makikita nyo dito is si Boss Eli and si Billen. So let's proceed with flexing our 12 Pro and 13 Pro in here. So this is the available color when it comes sa kanilang 12 Pro dito sa KingL Telecom. As you can see, lahat ng gadgets or lahat ng units nila dito is 100% soft tuloy. 100% smooth. So they have two kinds of variant when it comes to iPhone 12 Pro. So, sa 12 Pro nila, they have 128GB and also 256GB. Sa 128GB, that is 20,500, and for the 256GB, that is 22,000. So, huwag kayong mag-alala mga ka-J-Vlog kasi if ever na followers or subscriber kayo sa ating channel and also sa kanilang page, you also have a cashback, which is a discount of 500 pesos. So, we also have a lot of choices when it comes to battery health dito. Meron tayong 80%, 81, and also 83, 82. Huwag kayo mag-alala mga ka-J-Vlog. That battery health, it's still good, and that, the quality of the phone is still working naman. When it comes sa games, camera, videos, tumatagal pa po yan mga ka-J-Vlog. Huwag kayo mag-alala, huwag kayo matatakot. If ever na yun na lang po yung available na battery health nila. Pero kung gusto niyo naman ng 100% battery sa kanilang mga units, just as an assistant sa kanilang staff dito, friendly naman sila, and they can still they can help you when it comes sa ganong concern, okay? So, next naman is we have 13 Pro in here. So, we'll have Shera Blue and also Black. So, ito lang yung available dito sa KingL Telecom, which is Shera Blue and Black. But, if you're looking for another variants when it comes sa colors ng kanilang 12 Pro or 13 Pro man yan, again, magtanong lang po kayo. Meron po silang stocks niyan sa baba. So, this is the 13 Pro. So, we also have two variants when it comes sa kanilang 13 Pro. So, we have 128GB and that is 28,000. For 256GB, that is 29,500 pesos. Again, mga ka-J-Vlog, yun po yung price list nila dito sa KingL Telecom. We also have a lot of choices when it comes sa kanilang battery health sa kanilang 13 Pro. So, the highest battery health that I can see in here is 92%. We have 84, 83, 89, 83. That is the battery health that we have. So, let's try to check physically the unit of 12 Pro in here. So, we have the gold. So, let's just open this one and flex the battery health and also camera of this phone. So, let's just open this one. And while we open this one, I just want to share then if ever na you are asking ano ba yung warranty when it comes to KingL and also CMB Gadget. They have 7 days replacement warranty. Basta hindi lang po water damage, LCD damage, and also software update damage, something like that. But if ever there will be a problem naman sa unit nyo, they can still assist you. 3-month service warranty. So, sa 3-month service warranty po, i-help nila kayo doon i-fix kung ano may magiging problem. But if ever na may papalitan na sa unit nyo, that will be shouldered, of course, of the buyer. So, open this one. Check the battery health. That is the battery health of 12 Pro in here, the 128 gigabytes. If nagda-doubt kayo sa kanilang specification or battery health, you also have a way to check this using 3U tools, okay? Next naman is yung ating 13 Pro. So, previously, meron naman na tayong Sierra Blue. So, let's try to open this black naman. Ayan. Sa software update pala mga ka-J-Vlog, meron silang sariling IT na gumagawa po nun and meron pong bayad yon. Since wala silang mga tools to update the software of your iPhone, huwag kayo mag-alala kasi they can also assist you with their own IT. Ayan, so it's already open. So the battery of this phone is 93%. So we have 13 Pro in here, 93% yung battery health. Again mga ka-J-Vlog, this is just a quick update when it comes to 12 Pro and 13 Pro ng KNL Telecom. And sa kanila namang payment method, they have cash, bank transfer, debit cards, GCash, of course. Any payment method that you have, they also have that. But if you're asking if Maring Ana, nagpapautang po ba sila or they have an installment, yes, they also have installment. But that is through credit card. It depends also sa card na gagamitin nyo kasi I know that they have a specific interest when it comes sa credit card. Just drop them a message for inquiries sa kanilang page, CMB Gadget, yung may blue check. If you're looking for their page, make sure na nasa correct or legit page kayo. Nasa description box lang po yun. Just click that link. And if ever man na tinatamad kayong mag-walk-in, they also have cash on delivery nearby Metro Manila. Delivery fee will be shouldered, of course, of the buyer. And if nasa outside Metro Manila naman kayo, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi they deliver through LBC. Okay, mayroon lang silang minimum and maximum amount of down payment, 3,000 to 5,000. I'm not sure. Just drop them a message sa kanilang page. Okay? So, that's it mga ka-J-Vlog. That is just a quick update sa ating pong 12 Pro and 13 Pro dito sa KNL Telecom. Once again, my name is Maring Ana and thank you so much for watching. Buyers!